Hi there, this is Ronald from the EFWA team. This is our introduction video for the summer of 2019. Let's get started. So, welcome everybody. This is our conference page for the term of summer 2019 for the EFWA team or Effort Web Application team. So in here, you're gonna find information such as the team members. There's me, Caesar, Julian, Mateo, Curlin, and Lester. Of course, there's also the product owner, Dr. Masood Sajadi, which by this point you should probably know who that is. We also had here more information about the development tools that we've used throughout the semester. So for example, our IDE will be Visual Studio. It can be 2017 or 2019. It can even be the Community Edition. We also have Entity Framework and the 5-layer architecture. This is just the way that the project is designed, but it's not an actual technology that you're going to need to install separately. It already comes with Visual Studio. So the application is also built using ASP.NET Core 2.2. In the future, it might get upgraded to 3.0. Of course, that's going to be written in C#. The front end as well as the back end are both built using Model View Controller 5.0 from .NET Core. We also use Bootstrap for the web pages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We use a Razor rendering engine to help us insert data into the pages dynamically. We also have Progressive Web Apps 1.0. We use Microsoft SQL Server for the database management software. And we use Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio to manipulate the database or see what information is stored in there. You also need to make sure that you have Redis installed, especially because otherwise the application won't be able to start properly the backend. That's what we use to store the web tokens that we generate for the front end application. This is basically all the projects that we have in a repository. Which, speaking of, if you want to go to the repository, you can visit this URL. And if you want to see our YouTube playlist, of course, you can use this link. We also include a link to the previous team, the previous EFWA team for 2019 spring. And here on the side view, you can see a couple of other documentations that we've added to this side menu, such as the database architecture, the featured documents that we've created, the completed features, the refactoring that we've implemented in the semester to entity framework and repository pattern. You can see a tutorial video about that in our playlist. And of course, we also have our meeting minutes here in case anybody wants to go over that as well. Okay, that pretty much covers everything. If you have any questions, you can contact me, Ronald Concepcion, or Dr. Masood Sajadi. Thank you.